Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis pen tutorial how to crop image. So as example, you can insert image, click these icons and then click the photo icons to insert the image or photo. Click open and then click OK to insert into your canvas. The next to cropping these objects, I will use the special tools and then you can change into lasso eraser. The next, we can set for the drawing tools into the polyline. So I will click at these points, the second points, the third points, and then the fourth points. After it, you can click these icons to crop the image. Okay, I will create again, select from these points. I will create with another points like this. You also can edit into here. And if you don't, you can click these icons to crop the selected image or photo. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis pen tutorial, how to crop. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.